Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a product to your collection in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, and then just click here on Store Products, and you're gonna be on Products, and then you click on Collections, and just like click here, Edit, and add a product, and you just add here like by the name, or you just search it in your like product. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.